Hello! Are you considering moving to Milton, Florida and looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath on a half an acre with a sprinkler system? Well, today we are going to tour a home that has all of those options. If this is something you are interested, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So today we are going to tour a 4-bedroom, 3-bath that is in Milton, Florida. It's a new build. As you step into the foyer, this is all tile. You have the den there, a bedroom and the full bath there, and there is the dining room here that does have the box ceiling. So let's start off here to the den. It is in the front of the house. Perfect for an office, a study, playroom. And right next to the office, you do have a bedroom. That would be bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is in the front of the house. It does have recessed lighting and a walk-in closet. And straight across the foyer is the dining room. And then straight down the hallway is the living room kitchen area. So through the dining room, we do have the laundry room. There is a closet here, coat closet in the laundry room. You do have a 2-car garage. There also is a sprinkler system. So as we enter the kitchen, living room area, here is your walk-in pantry. These cabinets are a 42-inch cabinets. This is Granite Countertops. You do have recessed lighting with views of the backyard. It does have a covered lanai. This is a fully sodded yard. It does have sprinkler system included. As we come back in from the lanai, there is an area that you can have a table here for sitting. You also have the formal dining room in the front of the house. This is bedroom number 2. It does face the back of the house, and it also has a step-in closet. And bedroom 2 and 3 share a full bathroom. Bedroom 3 is here, it also does have a walk-in step-in closet A little bit bigger than bedroom 2. This is a tri-split floor plan. There is one bedroom in the front of the house. You do have the 2 off the kitchen living room area, and then you go through the living room to get to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is in the back of the house. It does have the box ceiling. So you do have carpeting in all of the bedrooms, and there is tile. This is a curbless shower. It does have a double vanity. Here is the walk-in closet. You have the separate water closet, and there is also a linen closet. So if this is something that you are considering, looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, this is about a little over 2,600 square feet. It is in Milton, Florida. It does have a 2-car garage with a sprinkler system. All of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, new build in Milton, Florida, this tri-split floor plan is called the Rosemary. Just give me a call. All of my contact information is in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.